Alright, so I hooked up a solar panel finally. You can see the 100-watt on top. Nice and secured by these brackets. And I can show you that it's working right in here. You can see the light flickering. That means the battery's full. A small little battery for now. And I ran wire, low voltage, into this cigarette thing here, as you can see. So I got power. Yay, yay me.